So if the price of this course is too much for you, please know I absolutely want to help you get into this course. And I am going to help you get into this course. And the only question is whether we're going to do that at some discounted price or if we're going to give you that access for free. And the determination of that is up to you. So you need to click that link right beneath this video, which will take you to a little form that you'll fill out. Just put in your name and your email address and a short description of why you need financial aid. So you might just say, hey man, I've got a family, I'm working at minimum wage, I don't have any money to spare, and I'd love it if you could give me access to this course for free. Or I'd love it if you could give me access to this course for like $7, because there is actually, I do pay a cost every time somebody takes this course because we have to stream all of that data to you, and there's a cost associated with that to stream all the video data to you. So taking the course for like $6 or $7, right, that covers my cost. But even if you can't afford that, because in some areas of the world, and I've helped students from 180 different countries around the world last time I looked, right? But in some areas, like $7 is a month's wage. And so if that's too much for you, just let me know, and I'm willing to absorb that cost because I want to see you learn this material, and I want to help you forward your life. And if you want to take the step to improve your life, I am here to help you. We are here to help you at Greater Commons. That's why we called our learning platform Greater Commons. It's for the greater common good. So have no reservations about filling out this financial aid form. Click that link, fill it out, and we will get you discounted or free access. And if you can't afford the price of the course as it is, please pay that price, because that's going to help subsidize, help us have the money to offer free access to other people. So if you can't afford the price, if you can afford the price of the course, please pay that price. Otherwise, fill out that form, and we look forward to seeing you in class. One way or another, we're going to get you in there. So have no reservations about filling it out. We truly want to help. And I am only where I'm at in my life today because I've had a ton of people help me out of the goodness of their hearts. So that's how we move forward as a social species. We help each other, and we rise because people give us a hand up, and then as we get further up, we reach down and help others. So there's still people who reach down and help me, and reaching down sideways, there's still people who help me. That's a better way to say it, and I love helping others. So please fill out that form if you need it, and I look forward to seeing you in class.